How to add bills in Mint. First of all, open your browser and go to the Mint website. Then log into your account using your email and password. Once you are in, look at the left sidebar menu and click on Bills. This will take you to the section where all your current bills and reminders are listed. Next, look for the option that says Add a bill. Click on it and a new window will pop up. Here you need to enter the name of the bill, the due date, the amount, and how often it recurs, whether it's once, weekly, monthly, or yearly. You can also choose the category for better tracking. After entering all the details, scroll down and click Save. Your bill is now added to your Mint dashboard. You will see it appear in your calendar or bill list depending on the view you are using. If you want to get reminders for this bill, make sure your notifications are turned on in the settings. Mint can send alert to your email or phone, so you'll never miss a payment. And that's it. Now you know how to add bills in Mint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.